Mapping notation is a way to graph a function by using parts of the equation to graph the equation and key points of a basic graph that is given to you, which is y equals x squared. So I'm going to do one example. This is the following equation. Y equals 2x plus 4 squared plus 2. We're going to use the key points of y equals x squared, which are 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. As I mentioned, I said by using parts of the equation to graph the equation. So I'm going to use parts of the equation and substitute them into the x's and y's. So for the x's, it'll be x minus 4 since it's inside the brackets. So it'll be x minus 4. And for the y's, it'll be 2y plus 2. And now we take the x's and the y's and substitute them into these two. So for the x's, I will substitute them into the x's. So it'll be minus 2 minus 4 equals minus 6 minus 1 minus 4, which gives you negative 5. 0 minus 4, which gives you negative 4. 1 minus 4, which gives you negative 3. And 2 minus 4, which gives you negative 2. And now we're going to do the same thing with the y's. So it'll be 2 times 4 plus 2, which gives you 10. 2 times 1 plus 2, which gives you 4. 2 times 0 plus 2, which gives you 2. 2 times 1 plus 2, which gives you 4. And 2 times 4 plus 2, which gives you 10. Now we got the key points for the x's and the y's. Now we're going to use these coordinates and graph it. So the first point, which is negative 6 and 10. That's one point. The second point, which is minus 5 and 4. This is the second point. The third coordinate, negative 4 and 2. Third coordinate. For this coordinate, minus 3 and 4, negative 3 and 4. There's one point. And for the last point, minus 2 and 10. Negative 2, sorry. Now connect the dots. And don't forget to write the function. So it'll be y equals 2 bracket plus 4 squared plus 2. Now I'm going to do one example for completing the square. So example 1, convert the following equation into vertex form. So this is in standard, and it says, the question says into vertex form, which means that I have to complete the square. So I need to factor this out. The 3x squared plus 12. So y equals 3x plus 4x end of bracket plus 5. And don't forget the plus 5 has to be kicked out. So for the next step, it'll be 3 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by 2 bracket squared. The same thing but minus. So minus 4 divided by 2 squared end of the bracket plus 5. So for the next step, I'm going to figure this out. So it'll be y equals 3x squared plus 4x plus, so 4 divided by 2, which gives you 2 squared. So it'll be 4 minus 4 in a bracket plus 5. And for the next step, I would have to kick out the negative 4 and multiply it by 3. So y equals 3 bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4 in a bracket minus 4 times 3 plus 5. Now we have to find two numbers that add to 4 and multiply to 4 for the next step. So it'll be y equals 3 bracket x squared, plus 2 bracket, and now we have to solve this. So minus 12 plus 5, which gives you negative 7.